All across a huge, happy city, thousands of people were cheering and smiling at one tiny duck. He wore a little green shirt and tiny socks, and everywhere he waddled, people fell in love. Newspapers, television, and millions of phones were all talking about him. But only a few weeks before, he was just a little duck on a small drinks cart. This really happened in 2026. So come with me, and let's find out how one small duck won the heart of a whole country. Listen slowly and try to relax. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Just enjoy the story. His name was Merlín, and he was a small white duck. He was only 2 years old, and he lived in Mexico City, a huge and busy city. Merlín did not live on a farm or by a lake. He lived with a kind family. The family sold cold, fresh fruit drinks on the streets of the city. They had a small cart, painted in bright colors, full of sweet, cold drinks. Every day the mother and her son pushed the cart through the busy streets. And every day little Merlin the duck went with them. The son had raised Merlin since he was a tiny baby duckling. Merlin was not like other ducks. He loved people, and he loved the city. He would sit happily on the drinks cart as it rolled down the street. People walking by would stop and smile and point at the little duck. The family loved Merlin very much, like a small member of the family. They even made him a tiny shirt to wear, in the green color of Mexico. And they made him little socks for his little duck feet. Merlin looked so funny and so sweet in his tiny green shirt. He would waddle beside the cart, saying hello to everyone he passed. The family was not rich. They worked long, hard hours every single day. But they were happy, and they were proud, and they had each other. And they had Merlin, their funny little duck, who made every day brighter. Life was simple and busy and ordinary. Nobody knew that this tiny duck was about to become famous. Nobody knew that soon the whole country would know his name. It all began with a very big event, coming to Mexico. That event was the World Cup. In the summer of 2026, the biggest football event in the world came to Mexico. It was the World Cup, when countries from all over the planet play football together. Millions of people came to Mexico to watch the games. The whole country was excited. Flags were everywhere. Everybody was happy. Mexico City was full of music, color, and the green shirts of the Mexican team. On the day of Mexico's very first game, the streets were full of fans. And of course, the little drinks cart was out on the street too. And of course, Merlin the duck was there, in his tiny green shirt and socks. That day, the Mexican team played their first game, and they won. When Mexico won, the whole city seemed to explode with joy. People poured onto the streets, singing, dancing, and celebrating together. On a big famous avenue, the crowds were huge and happy. And there, in the middle of it all, was a little duck in a green shirt. Merlin waddled proudly down the street, as if he had won the game himself. He wore his tiny team shirt and his little socks, just like a real player. People could not believe how funny and how sweet he looked. A little duck, dressed for Mexico, celebrating the big win. Someone took out their phone, and they filmed the little duck. They filmed Merlin waddling happily through the celebrating crowd. Then they put the short video on the internet, just for fun. And then they went to sleep, not knowing what would happen next. When they woke up the next morning, the video was everywhere. Millions and millions of people had already watched the little duck. Everybody was sharing the video of Merlin in his green shirt. People wrote 3 little words under the video, again and again. Viva el Pato, they wrote. It means, long live the duck. Viva el Pato, long live the duck. The words were everywhere. All over Mexico, people were smiling at the little duck on their phones. And soon, it was not just Mexico. The whole world was watching too. People in other countries saw the funny little duck in his tiny shirt. And they smiled, and they shared him, and they fell in love as well. In just a few days, Merlin the duck had become world famous. The family could hardly believe what was happening. Their funny little duck from their small drinks cart was now a star. People began to make pictures and jokes about Merlin. They drew him, they painted him, they put him on shirts and hats. Some shops even started to sell little toy ducks in green shirts. Everywhere you looked in Mexico, you could see the happy little duck. But why? Why did one small duck make so many people so happy? Maybe because he was small and funny and full of joy. Maybe because he did not know he was famous at all. He was just a happy little duck, being himself, beside the people he loved. And in a busy, noisy world, that little duck made millions of people smile. But the story of Merlin was only just beginning. Now that Merlin was famous, wonderful and funny things began to happen. Television shows all wanted to see the little duck. So Merlin and his family went to television studios all over the city. Merlin sat calmly under the bright lights in his little green shirt. He was not afraid at all. He just looked around, calm and curious. People on television laughed and smiled at the funny, gentle duck. Then something even bigger happened. The city of Mexico City decided to make Merlin an official star. They named the little duck an ambassador for the city. An ambassador is someone special who represents a place with pride. So now, the little duck from the drinks cart had an important job. He was invited to big events and important places all over the city. He was even invited to visit the leaders of the country. The little duck who rode on a drinks cart went to meet important people. Everyone wanted to see him. Everyone wanted a photo with the little duck. At a huge street party in the city, thousands of fans came to see him. One happy fan even wore a big yellow duck hat, just for Merlin. People chanted his name and sang Viva el Pato, long live the duck. Through all of this, Merlin stayed exactly the same, calm, gentle, and sweet. He did not care about fame. He did not know what fame even was. He just liked being near his family and near their little cart. And that, perhaps, was the real secret of why people loved him. In a world of noise and money and hurry, Merlin was simple and true. He reminded people of the good, small things in life. He reminded them of family and home, and simple, everyday joy. The leaders of the country said something beautiful about the little duck. They said that Merlin stood for the ordinary, hard-working families of Mexico. He stood for people who work long hours with pride and never give up. He stood for family love and for the pride of a whole community. A tiny duck had become a symbol of all these good and simple things. And it had all started with a small family, a small cart, and a lot of love. The family stayed humble and still kind through all the excitement. They still went out with their drinks cart, just as they always had. And Merlín still rode beside them in his little green shirt. Only now, wherever they went, crowds of happy people were waiting. Children ran up to see the famous little duck with their own eyes. And Merlín would look at them, calm and gentle, and the children would laugh. The family had not become greedy or proud. They stayed simple and warm. They were just grateful and a little amazed at their funny little duck. Merlín had brought so much joy to so many people without even trying. He had shown a whole country how to smile together in a busy year. And he had done it just by being a happy little duck in a tiny green shirt. But there was one place, one big dream, that Merlín had not reached yet. And it was the biggest football stadium of all. Mexico was going to play another big game at the huge Azteca Stadium. It was one of the most famous football stadiums in the whole world. And of course, Merlín the little duck wanted to be there. So on the day of the game, the family took Merlín to the great stadium. Thousands and thousands of fans were pouring inside to watch the game. Merlín arrived in his little green shirt, ready to cheer for his team. But then there was a small problem. A funny little problem. The rules of the World Cup did not allow a duck inside the stadium. Merlín could go near the stadium, but he could not go in to watch the game. It was nobody's fault. Those were simply the rules for everyone. So the little duck stayed outside on the stadium grounds with his family. And you know what? Merlín did not mind at all. He waddled happily around outside, saying hello to all the fans. And the fans were overjoyed to see him there, in his little green shirt. Being famous had not changed Merlín, not even a little bit. He was still just a happy little duck who loved people and loved his family. After the game, the family took Merlín back home to their simple life. Back to the busy streets, the bright little cart, and the sweet cold drinks. Merlín the duck had met leaders and stars and thousands of fans. But his favorite place in the whole world was still right beside his family. And every day he still rode on the drinks cart, greeting the city he loved. The little duck from Mexico City had given the whole world a gift. He had given millions of people a reason to smile and to feel joy. And he had shown that you do not need to be big to make a big difference. You just need to be yourself with a good heart beside the people you love. A small duck in a tiny green shirt had reminded a whole country of that. Long after the World Cup ended, people still remembered the little duck. They remembered how he made them laugh in the summer of 2026. They remembered the small family, their cart, and their funny, gentle duck. And whenever they thought of him, they smiled and said the words again. Viva el Pato! Long live the little duck who made a whole country happy. And that's the end of our story. Thank you so much for listening. If you enjoyed this story, watch it one more time. You will understand even more the second time. Subscribe for new stories and keep practicing every day. See you in the next episode. Take care.